In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Contacts to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a working connection so your contacts can flow smoothly between your Google account and your Zoho CRM, helping you keep everything consistent and up to date without a lot of manual work. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho CRM account, the one where you actually want your Google Contacts to be available. If you manage multiple Zoho accounts, it's worth quickly double checking you're on the right one before you continue so you don't accidentally set up the connection in the wrong place. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is your setup or settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. Almost all integrations and configuration options in Zoho CRM live behind this gear. So this is where you'll usually go anytime you're connecting external tools. After opening the settings, find and click on the option labeled Connections. This is the section where Zoho lets you manage all the external services that can talk to your CRM, including Google. If you already have other connections here, you'll see them listed. But for now, we're going to add a new one. Inside the connections page, look for the button or link that says Create Connection and click it. This starts the process of adding a brand new integration. You're basically telling Zoho, I want to connect this CRM to another service, and then specifying which service that is. Next, from the options presented, click on Google Contacts. Zoho may show other Google products or different third-party tools here, so be sure to choose the one that specifically mentions Google Contacts. This ensures you're connecting to your contact list rather than something like Google Calendar or Drive. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a connection name. This is simply a label inside Zoho CRM, so pick something clear and recognizable like My Google Contacts, or anything that helps you remember what this connection is for. This name is for internal use within Zoho and doesn't affect your Google account itself. You'll also need to enter a connection link name. This is often a more technical identifier, usually without spaces. Think of it as a system-friendly version of the connection name. Again, choose something meaningful but simple, so if you ever reference it in automations or advanced settings, you know exactly what it is. You'll see an option to enable a private connection. If you turn this on, the connection is typically restricted to your user account or a narrower set of users, depending on your organization's setup. Enable this if you don't want others in your CRM to automatically use the same Google Contacts connection, or if your company has stricter data access rules. If you're unsure, you can leave it off and adjust later based on your admin's guidance. Next, choose the scopes. Scopes define exactly what Zoho is allowed to do with your Google Contacts, such as viewing, creating, or updating them. It's generally best to select only the permissions you really need. For example, if you just want Zoho to read contacts, you might not need full edit access. Take a moment to review these since they control the level of access to your Google data. Once you've set the scopes, click Create and Connect. Zoho will guide you through the authorization process, where you'll sign into your Google account if needed and confirm the permissions. After you approve this, the connection will be created and Zoho CRM will be linked to your Google Contacts. That's all you need to do to link Google Contacts to Zoho CRM. Once this is in place, you can start using this connection within Zoho's modules and automations to keep your contacts synchronized and much easier to manage.